Freepik versus Nano Banana. Choosing the right AI creation tool can transform your design workflow without wasting time or resources. Freepik offers extensive image libraries and AI enhancements, while Nano Banana focuses on AI-powered creative generation. Freepik and Nano Banana are both AI creation tools but serve different purposes. Freepik combines a vast stock image library with AI-powered editing, while Nano Banana specializes in AI-driven content generation for unique creative assets. The core difference lies in resource availability versus creative generation. Freepik is a comprehensive platform offering millions of stock images, vectors, and illustrations enhanced by AI tools. It works by providing users access to a vast library of ready-made graphics combined with AI-powered search and editing features. This makes it easy to find relevant assets quickly and customize them with AI-driven tools for color adjustment, background removal, and style transfer. Its strengths lie in the breadth of content and seamless integration of AI to speed up design workflows. However, Freepik's limitation is that it relies heavily on existing assets, which may restrict originality for highly unique projects. The ideal user is a designer or marketer who needs fast access to high-quality visuals with AI enhancements but doesn't require fully custom AI-generated art from scratch. Nano Banana is an AI creation tool focused on generating original visual content using advanced AI models. It works by leveraging machine learning algorithms to create new images and designs based on user prompts and parameters. This allows for highly customizable and unique outputs that can't be found in traditional stock libraries. Nano Banana's strength is its ability to produce creative assets tailored specifically to user needs, ideal for projects demanding originality and innovation. However, its limitations include a steeper learning curve and potentially longer generation times compared to browsing a ready-made library. The ideal user is a creative professional or artist looking to explore AI-generated art and produce one-of-a-kind visuals not limited by existing content. Comparing Freepik and Nano Banana highlights the trade-off between convenience and creativity. Freepik excels in delivering fast, high-quality visuals from an extensive library, perfect for users needing reliable assets with AI enhancements. It suits marketing teams, web designers, and content creators who prioritize speed and variety. Nano Banana, on the other hand, offers groundbreaking originality through AI-generated content, ideal for artists and designers seeking unique visuals tailored to specific concepts. While Freepik provides ease of use and immediate access, Nano Banana requires more input and experimentation but rewards with exclusive creations. The choice depends on whether you value ready-made AI-enhanced resources or fully customized AI-generated art. Choose Freepik if you need quick access to diverse, high-quality visuals enhanced by AI, ideal for efficient design workflows and broad content needs. Option for Nano Banana when originality and creative control are your priorities, especially for unique projects that demand AI-generated custom visuals. Both tools have strengths, so select based on your workflow and creative goals to maximize your design potential.